Where to check and what it means. One rewards expiration. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. In the official article from Chick-fil-A, do Chick-fil-A One reward points expire at the end of the year? Rewards points do not expire, but points toward member tier status will reset to 0 on January 1st. You can also go to the reward section at the top, and after you're in the reward section, you can check your rewards and redeem something from there. And after you redeem, your points will decrease. And after you do that, you get a free food according to your points and according to what you chose. And this is where to check and what it means to Chick-fil-A rewards expiration. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.